Hello students, I hope you all are well and healthy at home. Today I am here with writing skills topics, narrative writing and imaginative writing. In these both types of essays, their format is similar, their elements are similar. That's why I am taking these topics in one video. But I explain both the topics one by one. So let's begin with our topic, narrative writing and imaginative writing. Now first about narrative essays. How to write a narrative essay? A narrative essay is a story about your experience, either imaginary or real. It can also tell a story of somebody's life. A good narrative essay tells specific stories. Now, while narrating a story, what are the components which we need to complete or to narrate our story? That are, first is plot, second characters, third setting, and fourth is description. These are the four components which we need to narrate a story. Now, format of writing a narrative essay. As we all know that we include 3 paragraphs in writing a narrative essay. First is beginning, middle and end. What we include in beginning, that is introduction part. In the middle part we include rising actions, climax, falling action, and in the end we include conclusion or resolution. So this is the format of writing a narrative essay. As we discussed that there are 3 main parts in the format of narrative essay. First is beginning. So what we include in beginning, that is introduces or describes the people, place and time of a story. In the middle part you can have several paragraphs, can describe more action, activities and events involving your main characters are expanded. And in the conclusion part, that is in the end, you can resolve the complication or problem or end story with a twist, remind readers of the central message. These are the things which you can include in your narrative essay, 3 paragraphs in the beginning, the middle and the end. Similarly, we have imaginative writing also. So in imaginative writing, what we do, imaginative writing is a form of narrative writing or creating a story. In imaginative writing, you require to create the kind of picture that will enable your reader to imagine and understand what you are writing. This thing we include in our imaginative writing. Now here are the features or format of imaginative writing. What things you can include? First is the character, second plot, third setting, number 4 the style it is written in, and number 5 the themes or idea it contains. In your imaginative writing you can include different characters. Then you can set a plot, or you can make a plot where this complete imagination takes place. Then make a setting according to the characters or the plot. Then in which style you want to written, you have to choose that style, that its tone will be formal or informal. It's totally depend on you, but I prefer that use simple language and short sentences to explain whatever you want to describe in your imaginative essay. Then you can share your ideas, your themes related to your imagination. Now here are some points to remember or some things to remember while writing the narrative essay or imaginative essay. Number 1, always use past tense. Number 2, describe event chronologically. Means in order you have to explain everything. You have to describe everything one after another. Number 3, don't use too much dialogues. Make the language simple. Do not use so twisted sentences. Use simple sentences. Number 4, use sensory details when describing something. It's sight, sound, smell, taste, hear, anything you can use. Number 5, use descriptive languages. You can use vivid verbs, adjectives, adverbs for explaining your thoughts or ideas. So these are the things which you need to remember while writing the narrative essay or imaginative essay. You should know the correct format. You should know the correct points which you can use in your essays. Here are some topics of narrative and imaginative essays. As an example, you can choose any one from these narrative essay and imaginative essay, and you can prepare your own essay. Topics for narrative essays are: number 1, your first day in your school; number 2, a time that you experience something unexpected or surprising; number 3, a random act of kindness; number 4, a success story; number 5, did your teacher contribute to the person you are today? These are the topics for narrative writing. Now for imaginative writing, what kind of essays you can include in which you can imagine? For example, do you believe in aliens? Why or why not? Number 2, write a sequel to your favorite fairy tale, movie or a story. Number 3, if you were the Prime Minister of India. Number 4, invention of future technology. Number 5, imagine your life is a video game. How do you get bonus points? What is your goal? Now choose any one topic from narrative essay and imaginative essay and start making your essay and start writing your essay. So this is your assignment for imaginative writing and narrative writing. That's all for today. If you have any query, feel free to ask. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.